In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix. Understanding how to save your work on Wix is crucial, especially when you're not quite ready to take your site live. Saving is not the same as publishing. Publishing is the step that makes your website visible to the public, whereas saving allows you to preserve all the tweaks and changes you've made without actually displaying them online just yet. Now, if you're in the Wix editor and you've been diligently working on enhancing your site, you'll notice a crucial feature right at the top of your screen, the Save button. This simple button becomes your best friend during the editing process. Whenever you've made a considerable number of edits and tweaks, but you're not set to share them with the world, a quick click on this button will ensure that all your hard work is stored securely. Additionally, Wix offers a handy autosave feature to make your life even easier. This feature can be toggled on or off depending on your preference. If you're working on a Mac, you can enable or disable autosave with the shortcut Command plus Option plus A. For those on Windows, it's done with Control plus Alt plus A. When autosave is turned on, it automatically saves your changes as you progress. This means you don't have to remember to click the Save button repeatedly. Your work gets saved seamlessly as you create. One of the best aspects of saving your work this way is that it offers peace of mind. Your saved changes will be stored, ready for you even if you close your browser or need to restart your computer. They're safely tucked away, not published yet, but waiting for your next creative session whenever you're ready. Once you've perfected your project and feel confident that your edits are complete, that's when it's time to publish your site. Until then, simply keep saving as you make progress. It's important to note that autosave is usually enabled by default, but if you ever find it turned off for some reason, make sure to click that Save button manually. This way you can relax knowing that nothing will get lost along the way. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about saving your site on Wix without rushing to publish it. I hope this helps you manage your site with ease and keeps your hard work intact until you decide the right time to share it with the world. Happy editing, and see you next time.